Welcome to today's meditation at 3 Leaves. The intention of this time is simple: to rest, restore, and feel better. Take a moment to settle into where you are. Whatever position feels right is perfect. I'm Diana, and I'm so glad you joined me. Let's begin. Let your physical space support you, and when you feel ready, gently close your eyes. Bring your attention directly into your body right now and take in a beautiful breath, releasing it slowly through your mouth. Drop your shoulders down away from your ears. Unclench your jaw, letting your face soften. Release any tightness in your hands and fingers, letting them rest gently, palms open, ready to receive the peace waiting in this time and at this moment. Take another slow, quiet breath in and let it go softly. Feel the weight of your body supported beneath you, and feel the energy of the steadfast earth radiating throughout your being. This is a moment of peaceful freedom. You don't need a reason to seek calm, and you don't have to earn the right to relax. Calming your nervous system and giving your mind a break is reason enough. Simple, restorative rest. Now let's guide your body into a state of total weightless relaxation, where every muscle softens so completely that all tension simply dissolves away. Bring your awareness to the very top of your head and imagine a wave of gentle, soothing warmth slowly moving down over to your temples. Let your forehead grow completely smooth and clench your teeth, letting your jaw fall gently open. Feel all the tiny muscles around your eyes and face completely soften. Let that warm, liquid relaxation flow down into your neck and across your shoulders. And feel your shoulders sink down even further, dropping every last effort they've been carrying. And let that heavy, peaceful feeling flow down your arms, through your elbows, into your forearms, wrists, and fingertips. Let your hands feel entirely soft, limp, and weightless as they rest open. Let that soothing warmth slide into your chest, your stomach, hips, and legs all the way down into your toes. Your physical body is completely soft, completely supported, resting with absolute effortless grace. And now let's bring that same weightless softness into your mind. All through the day, your mind works hard, holding on to thoughts, planning, and organizing. Imagine each of these tasks as specks of dust dancing in a beam of sunlight. As you settle into stillness, watch them slowly drift downward and rest, leaving the air completely clear and quiet around you and full of light. Your brain doesn't need to hold on to anything right now or analyze anything. Let your mind become quiet, soft, and still. If a stray thought appears, no need to push it away or follow it. Just let it turn soft and dissolve like mist scattering in the warm sunlight. Feel how wide and quiet your mind becomes when you simply let it be. Stay right here in this effortless space where both body and mind are completely soft, weightless, and still. Every breath you take nourishes you. Every quiet exhale settles you a little deeper into peace. Give yourself fully this moment to enjoy this feeling of rest. You are safe to rest here in this quiet, just breathing in and breathing out. This quiet space remains yours, rested, peaceful, and restored. Come back to this meditation anytime you need to rest and restore. Thank you for sharing this piece with me today. If this quiet moment served you, I invite you to subscribe to 3 Leaves so we can return to this calm together in the next meditation. Take care of your mind. Take care of your body. Until next time, be well.